25 wide gambrel with 1/2 steel bar has solid hooks. 1/2 steel bar has solid hooks to prevent sliding. 1200 L max capacity. 25 wide gambrel with 1/2 steel bar has solid hooks to prevent sliding. 2 options for hanging, great for skinning or quartering. 1,200 pounds max. Capacity to dress, cull and skin game. Top reviews from the United States. Best design yet. As taxidermist, my wife and I process a lot of animals. We've used many different gambrels. This one is favored because of the extra hook on the ends. They were thinking about this one. When you separate the rear quarter from the hip, the balance will become off and the heavier side will drop down and usually slide off the gambrel. With this extra hook at the end, it catches it and everything stays where it should. The rest of it is great as far as quality, materials, coating and design. I would recommend this to anyone who needs to replace an old one, or just needing one to get started. This is the one you want to buy.